Hello and welcome to English Learning. In today's video, I'm going to read a morning speech on the topic Adopt Virtues, which you can also deliver in your morning assembly. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Adopt Virtues. The essence of greatness is the perception that virtue is enough. We all talk about virtues, but how many of us practice the same? Virtues are very easy to talk about, but difficult to practice. There are people who, despite being brought up in a well-off family, well educated and having all the comforts of life, still aren't famous or successful. This is because they lack in virtues. Virtues add recognition and dignity to one's personality. In order to be recognized and valued, one must be punctual, honest, respectful, loyal, polite, tolerant, disciplined, well-mannered, and much more. Many of us often think that there is no use of these virtues, but we must understand that virtues build up one's character and add charm to one's personality. Everyone wants to be recognized, have good friends, and know good people, and this is possible only if you are virtuous. You must understand that if you want to be respected, respect others. If you want to solve problems silently, be patient. If you want to be helpful, help others. If you want to be appreciated, learn to appreciate. If you expect sincerity from others, be sincere to yourself. A person with virtues is well known and has a special place in everyone's heart. Faith in God is the first virtue that all should possess because without God's blessings, our life is nothing. Another important virtue is to be self-disciplined. If we are not disciplined, then we are good for nothing. Remember, everything takes time. You have to be patient and keep doing the good work with full honesty and devotion. To follow the right path of life itself is the longest journey. You have to try and inculcate some of the virtues which will make you different from rest of the world. Try and find the difference. Each one of us are different, which makes us unique. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that virtues are the greatest essence of life. Thank you. So with this we have come to the end of the video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.